I hit literally rock bottom. 4 years ago, I was a broke video editor and I had to go back towards Germany and move back towards my parents' house because freelance gigs just weren't cutting it. I was completely trapped in the creative hamster wheel and working around the clock for pennies and feeling my dreams of making a real living with a camera just slip away. But that rock bottom moment forced me to figure out a system that took me from a struggling freelancer to a 6-figure strategist. And if I lost it all today, this is my exact roadmap, my 5-step roadmap. I used to go back on my feet and start clearing $5,000 months. If you don't know who I am, my name is Noah Miguel and my journey has been literally crazy. By the time I was 18, while I was still in school, I was already flying around and hustling. I already closed like multiple deals, won 8,000 euro there, won 6,000 euro there, and I was making pretty much good money in my school time. I was even making more money than my teacher. And yeah, so obviously I dropped out of school, but I challenged all that energy into video editing and scaling my business towards 6 figures. And that's what let me do whatever I want today. I moved to Dubai and I can literally fly wherever I want and live the life I want. Literally nobody tells me today what to do. So forget everything about grinding out your freelance sites, consistently lowering your prices to compete with other freelancers, and burning out for clients who don't value your work. What I'm about to share isn't just about editing videos. It's about building an actual business. This is how you go from being a disposable, easily replaced video editor, freelancer, whatever you're offering, and you're going towards an essential partner. The kind of strategies clients are happy to pay a retainer to, month after month. So coming to the first step, which is the foundation. It's not what you think. First things first, you need the skill. That's a given. Pick a software, for example, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Resolve, Final Cut, whatsoever, but you need to have some kind of skill. Get great at the fundamentals like storytelling, pacing, sound design, but there's the hard truth which comes after when you learn all of this, which is your skills are not enough. The market is flooded with talented video editors who barely making rent. Most beginners get stuck right here, exactly at this point, thinking that learning one more cool transition or flashy effect will be their ticket towards success. It literally won't. The real foundation is realizing that clients don't buy video editing or any other freelance offer. They buy the outcomes. So when you know my videos, they care about the results. Your video gets them their business. And this leads us to step number 2, which is building a portfolio of results and not just a reel. Your portfolio is your single most powerful tool, but almost every video editor gets that wrong. Stop showing off your flashy edits and movie trailers or any other shorts you ever edited in the past. Stop showing gaming montages you made for fun or any kinds of video edits for any kind of YouTube channels you've done in the past. High-paying clients don't care about that. They care about the results. So how do you show results when you don't have any clients? You literally create them. Start a YouTube channel in a niche you actually understand. Whether it's coaching, real estate, or tech reviews, you name it. Use your editing skills to grow that channel for a specific client. Document everything. Show how you're editing, increasing views, getting more customers in the funnel, and therefore they get more customers and make more money. Show how the watch time boosted, show how the subscriber numbers going up, or generate leads for their product, for example. So when you edited any videos in the past, you already have views, but now figure out and ask your clients, which you had in the past, how many leads did you got actually from Instagram within the period we worked together? This is a hard proof that you don't just edit any nice looking videos, but you get tangible results. And this leads us to step number 3, which is create an irresistible offer. This step is your escape hatch from the freelance hamster wheel I talked before about. So stop selling your time for $30 or even $50 or even $100. Instead of offering, I will edit your videos, your offer needs to become something like, I will build you a video content system that generates you 3 to 5 qualified leads for your business every single week. See the difference? Can you actually feel the difference? One is the commodity that anyone can offer. The other is a solution to a huge business problem. Package your service into a monthly retainer. This isn't just editing anymore. Now it's about the strategy, editing, thumbnails, and the whole funnel underneath. So the content on the top leads towards then a funnel, a landing page. And the landing page narrows down towards a calendar appointment. And the calendar appointment leads towards money. And all the connection points between, you need to figure out in general, figure out the whole YouTube agency system, the whole ecosystem you need to learn, because video editing, the skill isn't enough to scale towards $10,000 per month. And if you want a free guide, I recorded a complete free guide explaining the whole business model. I go more in depth. You can find the video completely for free. First link in the description. So this is how I turn off a $250 project into literally $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 monthly retainer, and you're no longer a business expense. You're an investment with a return, which the business directly can see. So coming to step number 4, which is high value client outreach. Okay, you've got a result-driven portfolio and an offer they literally cannot say no to. Now, where do you find these clients which pay high ticket? Everybody thinks it's about network and the trust and somebody refers to the other. No, my first high paying clients when I was still in school, I all got them over cold DMs. But you literally need to understand what to say in these cold DMs to get their attention. You need to be different than everybody else. Any other editor, any other freelancer, you need to just stick out and be completely different, get their attention and close them on call. Once again, I go more in depth about copy and so on and so forth in the free video, in the first link in the description, in the breakdown video, how to scale towards $10,000 per month. But you will not find these clients on Upwork or Fiverr. You need to have the right strategy to go towards these clients, hook their attention and get them into a calendar appointment and close them based on results. Now look, while some people do build successful careers there, for many, those platforms become a race to the bottom on price. We are trying to be the most variable towards businesses. Instead, you're going to be a surgeon. Identify 20 to 30 businesses or creators in your niche who already make money, but have obvious room for improvement in their video strategy. And then craft a personalized message, but literally don't send them any messages saying, hey, I'm a video editor and I will edit your videos. No. Now this leads us to step number 5, which is the system to scale towards $5,000 per month. Making $5,000 per month or even $10,000 per month isn't about juggling dozens of tiny gigs. It's about securing a handful of high-value clients. The goal is to get just 3, 4, 5 high-paying clients that pay you between $1,000 and $3,000 per month. And that's literally it. This approach frees you from the typical freelance grind where many video editors, freelancers, struggle to break the past $50,000 a year mark. At this point, you are not just a video editor anymore. You are their strategic video partner. You're thinking about their business goals, not just the next cut on the timeline. By systemizing your workflows with templates or stuff you can hire later on, you can serve these clients efficiently without heading straight for burnout. So this entire process, from proving the value to package your offer and landing clients who respect you, is a fundamental shift in thinking. So 4 years ago, I was broke, living at my parents' house and seriously wondering if I'd made a huge mistake trying to follow this passion. That version of me thought that just becoming a better technical editor was the answer. It wasn't. The real answer was becoming a strategist, going away from this low-paying mindset and growing yourself and adding a skill set and becoming an agency owner, a partner to businesses, a video strategist, or a YouTube agency, however you want to call it. The 5 steps I just laid out for you are the exact path I'd take if I had to start over today from zero. It's not the easiest way, but it's the way that actually works and get you paid. So stop being just a video editor, start being a strategist, a video strategist. Your future self is going to thank you for it.